When you're choosing the right hook and loop cinch strap for your application, start with quality. The SPEEDWRAP brand product line of straps includes a wide selection of styles, sizes, and colors, all made from the highest quality materials. Let's focus on the standard and heavy-duty cinch strap. Customers concerned with the quality of their own products or installation choose SPEEDWRAP straps because they aren't willing to take a chance by using an inferior fastener. SPEEDWRAP cinch straps are industrial grade and made for commercial applications. They can be opened and closed hundreds of times. Just wrap around cables, wires, hoses, or objects, insert the tip through the ring, then pull back onto itself for a firm hold. The heavy-duty version of this strap is, as it sounds, a more robust version of the product. Featuring a metal ring, the SPEEDWRAP heavy-duty cinch strap is a commercial-grade hook and loop cinch strap. Customers have enough on their plates. That's why Speedtech is in business. To make it easy for customers to find the product, service, fast delivery, and support they need so they can solve their fastener needs. To find the correct fastener solution for your application, contact Speedtech or an authorized SPEEDWRAP brand distributor today.